welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 7th. Market analysis. The trade war is dawning because the schedule published by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of China shows that China will hold talks with U.S. Treasury Secretary David Bessent, and the market risk aversion has dropped. After yesterday's surge to $3,434.74 per ounce, the spot gold market quickly fell to $3,360.26 per ounce, and it is currently trading at around $3,387 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations and the recent progress of the parties to geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.59 to $34.04, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,404 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 34.14 to 34.24. If the afternoon market breaks 3,359 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 33.49 to 33.39. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1325 and 1.1383. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1383 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1425 to 1.1460. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1325 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1280 to 1.1220. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3332 to 1.3363. If the market breaks 1.3363 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3390 to 1.3430. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3332 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3280 to 1.3230. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6476 to 0.6515. If the market breaks 0.6515 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6550 to 0.6580. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6476 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6420 to 0.6370. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 142.76 to 143.36. If the market breaks 143.36 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.10 to 144.80. If the afternoon market breaks 142.76 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.20 to 141.70. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.